Hey everyone, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So my name is Abhilasha. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe if you want to learn easy breezy makeup and hair tutorials. I make life simple. It does not need to be 10,000 things. A couple of things right and you're done. Today I'm showing you how to create volume in fine hair. Every kind of hair is beautiful, but sometimes you just need volume. So this specific hair tutorial today is for people who have fine hair like me and would like volume, and what kind of different curlers are available in the market and the products that we will use for long lasting curls. If you're in an evening out, if it's hot outside, if it's humid outside, how to make them last the whole night. It does not matter how thin your hair is. You can definitely try this and let me know in the comment section below. I will also be mentioning all my products in the comment section, whichever you're interested in. But I love these curls. They are very soft and movable and really quick and easy. A little arm workout, but you will get there. So let's begin. The first product for any curls to last longer is a hair mousse. You can buy from any company. This is by Sebastian and it's a very soft and a fluffy mousse. The next is Design Me, Puff Me, Texturizing hairspray to create those beautiful, gorgeous locks. This is Color Wow Pop and Lock, which helps my curls to last longer. I always love using a dry shampoo on the roots for any hairstyles to prevent the roots from becoming oily. This is a Color Wow Shine Spray. Today we are using a barrel that is 3/4 inch and this is a Marcel. It's a curling iron and it's a company called PORCELAIN. You can have it from any company you feel like. This is a 1-inch barrel for medium to thick hair. And then if you have very thick hair and you want volume, this is the barrel you'll use. This is 1.25 or 1.5. This is by Babyliss Pro. This is again a Marcel, but it always also makes, thicker hair look voluminous easily instead of using a very thin barrel. That will take a lot of time, guys. Let's begin by taking the mousse in our hands. Take enough for medium, for fine hair because we need to create volume and, the curls to last longer. Start from mid-length to ends and then you can take it a little up with your fingers. Do not take it very close to the roots. We don't want the roots to get greasy and oily. I'm going to brush my mousse into my hair so when we use the curling iron, we do not hear a sizzle sound. Make sure you brush it properly and nicely so all the products are blended in well. I'm going to take the dry shampoo for my roots now. And section by section, I'm going to spray my roots with the dry shampoo. You'll see how instantly I have some volume because of this dry shampoo. You see that? Dry shampoos are extremely helpful if you do not want to wash your hair every third day. There are a lot of brands. This is by IGK. Kerastase also and Oribe also have amazing dry shampoo. Just, emulsify it with your fingers. Blend it all into the hair. The key of, the thing with a lot of us and the front of the hair not to look very wriggly, like we say. We all have that baby hair that has a bend on it. Let's go ahead and separate that and clip off the entire hair in the back section. And I'm going to use a flat iron to just smooth out the front of the hair. When we use a curling iron, it not always necessarily takes that bend off. So this is what will make that curl look all even instead of, having that baby hair or whatever hair you want to call that sticking out. You see that? We have made that even and smooth. We have used the mousse, so this is slightly heat protected. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side now.
This is just the front section. We won't be using the, flat iron again. It's just the front hair where we all have that little curled up hair.
This is all a part of your hair prep. Any hairstyle takes hair prepping so that the hairstyle lasts longer or it will fall out. Whether it's heat, whether you're dancing, we want the curls to last longer. Let's go ahead and section the hair. The section should not be more than an inch wide. I'm going to take this curling iron and I'm going to increase the temperature 380 degrees Fahrenheit. You see that? That's just 1 inch. And whenever I curl the hair, I'm going to hold it in the direction of the arrow. This is what I said, it's a little arm workout, but well, we need the direction of the hair. I'm taking this first section away from the face. You see that? And I'm going to follow this throughout my hairline where it will be away from the face. Oh, I love those curls. This is another style. If you think your arms are hurting, you can definitely do this. But again, you're going to hold the curling iron in a straight position. That's my first section done. Trust me guys, it's not this quick. This is just the speed that has increased. Otherwise, this would easily take you up to 30 minutes. It's always good to section off the hair so it helps you work clean and better. I'm going to take the first section and like I said, I'm going to take it away from the face. This is for fine hair. I have fine hair and I want to create volume, so I'm using this barrel. Like I said, away from the face. The entire hairline is going to be away from the face. Before you start a hairstyle, the entire structure has to be in your head. It's like creating a blueprint before you go ahead and construct something. The blueprint is in my head and that is how I'm curling it. Now the second section has to be towards the front section. If you had thicker hair, this is the barrel you would use. If you had medium hair, this is the barrel you would use. This is a 3/4 inch barrel. And now I'm going to curl my hair towards my face. So this is the alternative curling method to create volume in the hair. One is away from the face, the other curl is towards the face. And this follows throughout the hair. Just hold a couple of seconds and let the curl go down. And this is what you repeat section by section all over the hair. Like I said, clean working is always good. Clip off the hair. Take the first section, the second section, hold for a couple of seconds and then you can let it go. The second section, this is the third section, which is again away from the face. So the first section away from the face, the second section towards the face, the third section again away from the face. I'm concentrating, my face is so concentrated on these curls to get the right angles, it's not even funny. Every curl has to be held for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then when you leave it, you need to hold it for a couple of seconds before you let it go. That is when the heat is actually helping the cuticles or the hair structure get into the shape of the curl. You see that? Just slightly hold it there, and that is it. And this is the last section that we are curling on this side of the hair. Wait for a couple of seconds for the curls to cool down. Let's use the Lock-in Pop and Lock by Color Wow. just a dime size, and I'm gonna nicely blend it in both my hands and slowly and steadily start opening my curls only with my fingers. I'm not gonna be using any brush or comb. I'm using my fingers to open my curls. You see how the volume is building in. Shine is also important in the hair, so this amazing lock and pop actually adds that shine to the curls as well and gives them definition. You see that one side of my hair is so voluminous and the other side is still beautiful, but it is fine. And I'm supposed to create volume in that side of the hair as well. This is Puff Me, the texturizing, the dry texturizing spray, which is going to help me seal and also create volume to these curls. I'm using my finger to open my curls more. Very lightly, I'm going to spray this all over my hair. I love the movement. I love how they look. I love how soft they are. You can brush it out if you do not want such defined beautiful curls. You can brush it out. You can or I would just recommend using your fingers. This is a finishing spray. That's Shine. This is Color Wow. And it's the difference between both the sides. You see that? Lovely. So I've gone ahead and done the other section. Again, alternative curls. The front, the hairline always goes away from the face. I love how the volume looks on the hair. Hold it for a couple of seconds and let it go. And there we have it. The last section towards the face. I always am happy when I get the volume in my fine hair. This is such an easy thing to do. Let's go ahead and set this side of the hair as well. I'm going to use the Color Pop. And slightly now I'm going to start opening the curls. They've cooled down. I waited a couple of seconds and now I'm going to open them with my fingers. This is such a lovely cheat method to create volume in your hair. Blow drying can be a little taxing. It can be a little, the hand hurts when you do your own blow dry. But the curling wand always helps. And the finer the hair and the thinner you have your curling wand, the more volume you'll have in your hair. You can keep playing, keep opening. You see how easy and movable they are. Not too scrunchy, just amazing. Once they've opened up to the desired level that I want, I will then go ahead and use the hairspray, the dry texturizing hairspray. This is Puff Me. Section by section, creating that texture. This is what will hold your hair for up to 10 to 12 hours. It will protect it from the heat. It will protect it from sweat. Completing this look is the Color Wow Shine Spray. This is an extra hold spray, so it will keep your curls in place as well and not make it look very stiff. Adds the amazing shine, and there we have it, the final look. Easy, movable, lovely hair. Guys, if you like what I do, please do like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for future notifications. Enjoy this hairstyle. Fine hair does not mean that you cannot have volume. It's just the right amount of products and the right curling iron that will make it look fabulous. So keep being fabulous, keep being amazing. Until next Tuesday, I will see you then with another easy breezy makeup or hair tutorial. Take care, see you, and have a lovely, lovely week. Bye.